Here we're using a black base for a strong contrast on this painting. I've cut out lengths of cotton string for this, and I bought my string at my neighborhood hardware store. The string is dunked straight into the cup of white paint. One by one, I'm laying the strings onto the canvas. You don't need to worry in the least about being perfect about this. As you can see, it's just laying them on down. Here I'm gathering the strings together to pull as a bunch, but it can be done one at a time as well. When you pull the strings, you want to pull them toward yourself very, very slowly. As you can see, as the strings move through the paint, they create these organic forms. Here we are moving that and almost done. Take a look at the finished painting. String pulls can be done in a variety of ways that will create different floral or organic forms. The ball chain is the same type of chain that's used in light switches. You can buy them at your local hardware store and they will be more than happy to cut them into lengths for you. Here we're pouring the paint directly onto the chains themselves, and then the chains will transmit the paint onto the canvas. We're going to lay those chains onto the canvas the same way we did for the strings. How you lay them down doesn't really make much difference. It's just to put an interesting pattern down. Now pull the chains toward you, once again very slowly. I was trying to gather them all together as one, but as you can see, I missed one chain. But it doesn't make any difference. You can pull them together or individually. Now I'll go back and get that last one. In the close-up, you can see how it varies from the string pull with the definition of the marks made by the individual balls on the chains. The Dutch pour technique results in a look that is distinct from the others we've done today. I'm starting by putting fiery colors in the corner. This location is because this is a fairly small canvas, and I will direct the flow only outward. On a larger canvas, you could do lines along the length or start in the middle to go many directions. Once the colorful paint is down, I'm pouring more of the base color around it. This will help the brighter colors flow very freely. And now for our surprise tool, a blow dryer. The concentrator on the end was for an old dryer, as you can see by my elegant job of taping it on. Keep it at a low angle to blow out and not down. Blow your extra base paint back over the colors first. This helps to make cells, and then blow your colors out in all directions. But don't go over it again once it's done. The colors will get dull and muddy. I'm taking the torch to it to bring up some more cells. In the close-up, you'll see those cells. The metallic copper paint adds a little shimmer on the left side.